Strengthening Faith 39. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2347, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that his true friend is the one who possesses the following characteristics. One of these characteristics is that they have a good share in the prayer. This means they establish their obligatory prayers by fulfilling them correctly with all their conditions and etiquettes, such as offering them on time. This also includes establishing the voluntary prayers, which are based on the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, such as the voluntary night prayer. This is in fact the best prayer, after the obligatory prayers, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 1614. A good share in the prayer also includes offering the obligatory prayers with the congregation, at a mosque when possible. It is sad to see how many Muslims live in proximity of a mosque yet still do not join the congregation, even when they are free from work. The next thing characteristic mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that this Muslim obeys Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in public and in private. Doing so in private indicates a person's sincerity to Allah, the Exalted, meaning they only perform righteous deeds for His sake. This is the one who firmly remembers that no matter where they are, the inner and outer aspects of their being is constantly being observed by Allah, the Exalted. If one persists on this belief, they will adopt excellence of faith, which is mentioned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 99. It means they act, such as performing the prayer, as if they can observe Allah, the Exalted, watching them. This attitude encourages righteous deeds and prevents sins.